today. First, we're gonna make.
Stop.
First, we need a bit of water, bit of flour, bit of sugar, and 2 ice cubes. That was feel. And then we need some pepper. Oops. I think that was too much. Then we need some salt. And then gotta mix it around. Mixing. Now let's bring it to our taste testers.
Okay, stop.
Let's see what taste test is gonna say. Here you go, time for you to taste my new special stick.
I gotta taste my glasses.
Just saying.
I thought steak was meat. Yeah, not something slimy. That's what she said.
Taste it.
God, fine. She said moment. Ew. I need the ladies' room. What do you mean, guys' room? Oh no, you didn't.
I almost trapped you.
Try.
Wasn't it good?
No.
Come on, don't you want some more?
Go away.
But you want some more? No!
I just barfed.